step into the 2004 GMC Envoy. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include driver-adjustable lumbar, CD player, multi-zone AC, privacy glass, luggage rack, rear AC, tow hitch, rear bench seat, and cargo shade. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.